So this lawnmower that I have right here, it wouldn't start at first. As you can tell, I'm going to hold this down. I'm going to try to get it started. If I can do this with one hand. It's not working. Okay. I checked the gas, went inside, took this whole thing apart, even the gas line, and then down here is the carburetor. Checked the carburetor, it looked great. Checked the spark plug, that looked good. Took this off, it was the air filter, that looked good. And I was wondering, like, what's going on? Why does it not start? Well, I found a little trick where if I make this little thing right here, anytime this handle goes down, okay, it brings this up. See that? Watch what happens whenever I press it a little bit more. Press it a little bit more. Then, if I can do this with one hand, it works! Because of this right here. So, either I'm gonna have to like shorten this or something. I don't know, but I have to jimmy it every single time I get this running. So it's really annoying, but hey, I found out what's wrong with it, and it's not a problem with the engine itself, and that's what I'm happy about the most. And here I fixed the problem. What I did was I took one of these little clamps. You can buy these. They're called 1/16 inch clamp set. They come with these saddles as well as this thing, so the wire won't mess up. And I just shortened this. I had to cut this down a little shorter because this right here is what holds this in place. And then it's a little bit more tight, but it'll definitely bring that out. So on the first go, I pull down that and it's working!